Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the experiment DNS demonstration of the DNS. DNS, it is nothing but your domain name services. Normally, the operating system related to the server which is developed one, that operating system, it is having the domain, or it is considered as the domain. For the specific application, that domains are created, and these domain names are circulated on the network so that users can use that particular name. By using domain name, they can access that particular server. So today we are going to see exactly how the DNS server, it is getting connected to the system. That means tracing of the DNS server, because we know that we are not using the IP address of that particular domain server. We are using the domain name to access that particular server. That is, we already having the idea. But exactly which IP address it is assigned to that particular server, we don't know. Okay, and by using some sort of the tools or commands, we can trace that particular DNS IP address by using its name. So one of the command it is considered to trace that particular DNS server name or domain name is the tracer command. So by using the command prompt, you can access or you can trace that particular DNS name or DNS server, or trace that particular DNS server. So for that you have to click on this particular command prompt, right? And here just I am enlarge this one, so it will clear that screen. Now here you have to type the command as the tracer, and if you check, you want to check the what the exactly process it is considered under that your what we can say that command. So you can trace that particular thing as well. Here you can use this particular command to see that what can be done by using that command to search that DNS. So here n number of options are there: D, dash D, dash H, dash J, dash W, dash R, dash S, dash 4, dash 6. That means specific, that particular option can be considered to search out that particular domain name system or server. So by using this command, just I want to search suppose gmail.com. So Gmail, whenever I am typing that Gmail by using the command tracer gmail.com, then it will initially shows the IP address of that particular Gmail. So this is showing that this is the IP address of that particular Gmail server. And after that, how it is getting connected to that particular server. That means how many routers it is considering to reach at this particular Gmail server, that it is showing here. So it is giving that particular exactly the n number of routers addresses, or that what we can say that the IP address of that all the routers, how it is getting connected one by considering the number of hooks. So here first it is the that means our institute IP address it is considered here. Then this is the service provider's IP address, and the related the next hook, that IP address it is considered. That means router's IP address it is considered one. Next the another router IP address. Then the before reaching that whatever the lastmost IP address it is there, it is considered by this particular router. So all the router's IP address it is considered here whenever we are tracing that particular DNS. So gmail.com, we are typed only the name of that particular DNS. We are not typed the URL. So here initially it is presenting the IP address for this Gmail, and how this is traced one by considering this tracer command it is shown here. So it takes the near about 7 hooks to reach at this particular your server, Gmail server. Likewise, we can consider all the whatever the DNS servers are there, that all these servers can be simply by typing the tracer command we can trace on the system. Only thing is that during that this particular system should be connected to the internet so that we can reach by using this tracer command to that specific server. That is the exactly how the DNS it can be traced by using the tracer command. This is all about this DNS tracing by using the tracer command. Thank you very much.